Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded to discuss the video that what is CRM and what is Salesforce CRM. So Salesforce, basically CRM stands for the customer relationship management. It manage and improve interaction with your current and potential customers. What does it mean? That let's say that you have a chip-based company and you provide laptop chips to your client. So so Apple, Dell, HP might have your clients. So what will happen that you want to store those client information in a software, and then you also want to store their employee information, that okay, for Apple is your client, and then who are the different employees whom you need to interact with, or for the various reasons, like okay, this is a CEO, CTO, CFO, manager, delivery manager, project manager, and whatnot, right? So you will store all the important people information into a software so that you will not lose it. You will also want to store the hierarchy so that you know that okay, who is what, and to whom you need to contact at what time, right? You do not want to contact a CEO at all the time, right? Or you do not want to contact to CTO all the time. So you need to know that who whom you need to contact at what level, right? So it store whole client information along with their employee information, as well as the contractor and whatnot. Along with that, it also provide a software tool to organize the sales, marketing, and customer service and support information. So let's say that Apple decide to buy 10,000 chips. So this is a sales opportunity for you. So you will store that sales opportunity into the software so that you will not forget it, right? And then you will track it until this deal is closed. Or let's say that your client has some issue and reach out and wants your services to support that stuff. So again, you need a software to where client can reach out and log their request. Along with that, you can also track that request to close it so that customer is satisfied. So CRM provide these type of software so that you can store that information, you can track that information, and you can close that um, uh, to satisfy your customer. Now there are the various different CRM, like the Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, HubSpot, Joho. And there are various other CRM as well. Salesforce CRM. So since this video is for the Salesforce CRM, so coming to the Salesforce CRM now. So Salesforce CRM is the most popular CRM which has been founded in 1999 by Mark. It is a cloud-based technology. What does it mean? That you do not need to install any of the complicated software into your laptop or mobile. You just need an internet connection, and you can access this tool uh, anywhere in the world. So it's a very easy. You just need to put in your credentials, and boom, you are logged in into the system. uh, and again, it helps manage a relationship with the customers and process and improve profitability. It's a very customizable and highly customizable, highly configurable, and very scalable. So you may have a thousands of records, and various different sales opportunity, sales information, service information, and whatnot. And now it is being AI powered. Agent Force has come, which is the next level of AI. So it's powered by AI as well. And it also provide you the industry specific solutions. For example, like you are in a commerce sector, so it has a products for the commerce sector as well. If you are in a education sector, then it has a education sector specific products to help there. So these are the these are quick glimpse of the products, like the Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. So Sales Cloud is being used to manage your sales opportunities with your clients. Service Cloud is for providing the services where they can reach out to you by the chatbot or some other alternatives, and automatically the the request will be logged, and the request will reach out to different agents of your company based on the problem, and then those agents will have to resolve it, or they can escalate it and whatnot. Marketing cloud is being used for the email campaign, the different email campaign which they are running, and commerce cloud is for commerce based services. So if you will go to salesforce.com website, you will you can see it there. So under the product section, there are the list of the different products which Salesforce provides here. And let's say that if you click on the product overview, so you will see the list of the products which they will give you the quick glimpse of the products here. Right, different products, as I said, that sales cloud, marketing, commerce cloud, and whatnot. And you can also if you click on, let's say you want to know about the commerce, so if you click on the commerce here, it will give you the quick overview about the commerce. You can take a quick demo, and then here it will give you the list of the products which comes under the commerce products. Like you can have a B2C commerce, like the B2C website where customer is coming and adding item into the cart and placing an order. Or you may have a B2B where companies are buying the items into the bulk, so you have a website for those. It also comes with the order management, where once the order is being placed, now order is reaching to the OMS system, and then it is being distributed to different warehouses to fulfill. So right, so you can explore it. And if you click on the pricing, you can see the different pricing for your commerce, right? That's how it is. Yeah. So they have organized this website beautifully, so you can explore it by yourself for each of the product whom you are interested with. They also have an industry based section where for the different industry they have a different solutions, that okay, for the retail, what what product will be used, and for manufacturing, what products will be used by different clients, right? And customers, if there's a customer story learning, they provided a various documentation to learn about more about the Salesforce and their products. Support is for the help and documentation communities. A company, they tell about about the company, and Salesforce Plus is just more content. So yes, you can explore it by yourself. But again, Salesforce CRM is very famous, most popular CRM system in the world. It's very easy to learn, and it's very popular. So it has a very good career opportunities at this time. It's booming every day, and Salesforce is investing a lot of money to expand their capabilities. They are recently they launched a data cloud, retail cloud, two new products in this area. Along with that, they have launched the Agent Force, which is a next level of AI to automate that stuff. So yes, faster you enter into the Salesforce CRM world, faster you will make your career better. Thank you for watching my video. Make yourself comfortable with the CRM, and thank you. And let's join this journey. Bye bye.